tummy time? Bennett. Bennett. Careful, give him some space. Oh, there he goes. Leave him alone. Oh, Bennett, are you overloved? Yeah. Oh, Bennett. No, don't burp him. He's fine. Oh, Bennett. Oh, good job. Okay, Ellie, get out of his face, please. Oh, so hard. Oh, just getting so big. Stop it. Oh,